Universal flash storage is evolving to meet the demands of a data-intensive world. UFS 5.0 becomes the standard across industries. The need for precision validation has never been greater. Validating HSG6B data rates at 46.64 Gbps per second with PAM4 signaling presents massive challenges for signal integrity and protocol correctness. Introducing Prodigy Technovations UFS 5.0 EXPA, industry-leading integrated protocol exerciser and analyzer designed specifically for the UFS 5.0 ecosystem. Probing the UFS 5.0 interface requires extreme care. Our complete suite of probes like solder down, SMPM probes, power divider interposers, board-to-board, and active probes are engineered to provide the reliable connectivity needed for UFS 5.0 HSG6B data rates. Powered by intelligent CTLE autotuning, our solutions optimize signal quality instantly, providing the reliable connectivity needed for PAM4 traffic while maintaining superior signal fidelity. Our software provides seamless decoding of HSG6B traffic, intelligently extracting UniPro and UFS packets directly from the transport frame structure for a complete view of the communication link. Automated error analysis instantaneously identifies CRC errors, sequence number mismatches, and protocol violations. With support for over 300 UFS and UniPro conformance test cases, ensure your product is market-ready with the push of a button. UFS 5.0 EXPA, the industry's first integrated protocol exerciser and analyzer. Analyze, emulate, validate.
Prodigy Technovations, your protocol analysis partner. Visit our website